Hello and namaskar to all of you. Myself Jinia Das Nandi, and I was an ex-IT professional, but right now, both by profession and by passion, I am an aspiring actor. But today I am sitting with my sitar, so you can all see. So obviously I will be trying out with all my limitations and with all my flaws and incapabilities. With my feeble fingers, I will be making my efforts on this Indian classical string instrument, playing the famous song of Come September, um, which is a favorite, one of the favorite music of my dad. Come September is the title song or the theme song of the famous movie Come September. So I will be playing just the introductory part, the Antara part or the Mukra part, but I will be playing the video. I'm sorry, but I will be playing the sitar at the end of the video. Okay, so. Before that, I will be sharing a lot of special things with you all. So kindly, it's a kind request to all my viewers. Kindly stay tuned. Kindly do watch this video till the end. Okay. So now, as I mentioned that today, 5th August, is my dad's birthday. So this is basically paying a birthday tribute to my dad. Now, uh, uh, before I share all my stories, I would like to congratulate and my heartiest congratulations and my regards to celebrity tabla exponent Saurabh Gohoda for receiving a prestigious certificate for his participation as the only Indian musician in the Latin Grammys award-winning album. And thank you so much, Saurabh Gohoda. Thanks a lot. I am really indebted to you, Saurabh Gohoda, because I requested just on the 11th hour, I requested Saurabh Gohoda to refer me Sitar Guruji, who can come to my house and who can give me a personal coaching and can teach me how to play this tune of Come September on my sitar. So Saurabh Gohoda referred my current sitar Guruji, Shoubhik Mukherjee Da, who is a sitar exponent, Shoubhik Mukherjee Da, and he stays at the extreme north, like he stays at Dunlop, he resides at Dunlop, and my house is at Joka. So I reside at extreme south, and my Guruji, my sitar Guruji, his house is at extreme north, that is at Dunlop. So, and as you all know that it's lockdown going on and metros were closed, and so and Shoubhik Mukherjee Da is keeps really busy. So in spite of his busy schedules and all, he accepted my proposal and he managed 2 days from his busy schedule, just because Saurabh Gohoda referred Shoubhik Mukherjee Da and told him to guide me. So because of that, Shoubhik Mukherjee Da accepted my proposal, and I'm really indebted to him also that he came to my house. He managed 2 days. And somehow he managed 2 days and he came to my house, and he has given me a personal coaching, and he had taught me a lot of techniques and all. He's amazing teacher, amazing Guruji. So that is how I could able to at least make my efforts playing this tune on my sitar. So thanks a lot, and my regards to both Saurabh Gohoda and to Shoubhik Mukherjee Da. And as you all know that my first sitar guru is my mom. In Bengali, like it's being said like Amar Shetarer Hate Khori is being done by my mom. So I started learning sitar from my mom, and basically sitar, as you all know, sitar is my mom's first love. And but though I started learning sitar at a very tender age of 4 years or 5 years, as I have heard from my mom, but I was not at all serious sitar player. Every after 3 or 4 years, suddenly one fine morning I wake up and I think of playing my sitar, and I sit with my sitar for 2 weeks maybe, hardly for 2 weeks maybe, and within that 2 weeks I rehearsed some small ragas, and then I played, and then I stopped playing sitar again, and then again after 3 to 4 years I sit with my sitar and I think of playing some different ragas. So this is kind of relationship with my sitar. So, and though from my since my childhood I had been a good student, like I used to score 90% of marks, and on an average 90% of marks. But I never used to be in any ranking positions like first, second or third, but on an average I used to score 90% of marks. And as I heard from my parents, I was talented, like by the grace of Almighty and by the grace of all your blessings, I am talented. But the problem is, since my childhood I had been a very disobedient child till date. I am a disobedient child of my parents. So, but you know what? In spite of being disobedient, I do love my parents a lot. So, this is a small gesture from my part to show my love to my parents. I know without rehearsing for days, months, for hours, days, months, years, you cannot, it's not possible to play a classical string instrument properly. You need to dedicate yourself. This is an art in which you need to dedicate yourself, you need to rehearse, you need to give a lot of time to your to this. But I cannot do that. So obviously it's not possible for me that I will be playing this sitar very well. But this is just a small gesture of love with all my limitations and all my incapabilities and all my what do I say, flaws, that I just made an effort to with my feeble fingers playing the favorite music of my dad, to show my dad, to pay my dad birthday tribute, and to pay the tribute to both my parents, because sitar is my mom's first love. Okay, so do pardon me for all my mistakes and all my limitations, and for because I will be not playing the sitar that well. Anyways, now why this month of August is very special for me. Not only my dad's birthday is on August 5th August is his birthday, and apart from that, being an Indian, we all know that 15th August is India's Independence Day. So that is how it's also very special for me, being an Indian. And apart from that, it's also very special for me because on 15th August, 2 years back, I guess 3 years back, on 15th August, it was I was blessed and I got the opportunity to play the character of the female protagonist in a theatrical play named Bevarish, produced by Kulhal Theatre Workshop. And the first premiere show was on this particular date, on 15th August, at Behala Sharad Shodon. And I'm really blessed and thankful to Nigel Da, who is the producer, and this whole play is being conceptualized and produced by Nigel Da, and this play Bevarish is being scripted by Molay Bandyopadhyay, and it's being directed by Abhijit Anukamin. So I'm really grateful to all of them, and in this play I had played the role of a lady whose name is Kushum Bala, and who has got a very long hair. So as you can all see that I have a short hair, so all that long hair makeover has been done by famous celebrity fashion designer Anupam Da. So I'm really grateful to all of them. I really feel blessed, and and like last year it was my father's birthday, and last year my dance guru Vaishaki Chakraborty Basu, who is also my friend, philosopher and guide, she helped me out. Last year also I remembered that at the 11th hour I requested her to choreograph a dance for me, which is on music of Ananda Shankar, which is again my dad's favorite music. So she did that, and so I really feel blessed and loved that all this so many people, they always love me and pamper me and bless me, and so I'm thankful to all of them. And another thing, like on this month of August, it's also Nigel sir's birthday. So and as you all know that apart from like during COVID, my parents had last time, like it was, my parents suffered a lot because of COVID and all, and at that time Nigel helped us a lot. He complimentary came to our parental house and did the sanitization and all through his company, Kolkata Facility Management. So I'm really grateful and thankful to Nigel Da, and his birthday is on 13th August. So basically today this is a combo, and another thing, like on the month of August we all know that we celebrate Friendship Day. So, and I'm really indebted to each and every friend of mine who are always liking my videos. They are liking, commenting, and they're incessantly showering their love, blessings and affections, and they're supporting me, they're pampering me, they're encouraging me every time I get all my friends by my side. So I'm really indebted to all my friends. So basically today is a combo celebration. So now you all know that why this month of August is very special for me. So basically this is a combo celebration of my dad's birthday, of Friendship Day, of my first on stage appearance as a playing the role of female protagonist, of Nigel Da's birthday. So basically this is a combo celebration celebrating the month of August. And because I'm playing the tune of I will be playing the tune of Come September, so it's just after August, it's the month of September, and I am a September born person. I'm a Virgo, and I'm very proud of being a Virgo, and also congratulations to all other Virgons over here. It's basically a combo celebration, okay, but celebrating the month of August, and also welcoming the month of September by playing the tune of Come September. So stay tuned to watch my effort playing this tune of Come September on this Indian classical instrument sitar. And again, kindly do pardon all my mistakes and my incapabilities um, while playing, while making this effort to play this tune on my sitar. So keep watching. Here comes the sitar playing for you all.